also you deserve putting your trust in me to conduct the case. Yes, I remember the first it looked like an uphill struggle, but gradually we got easier and easier, and now we have achieved our success. But let me tell you what the meaning of this judgment is for you. It is a judgment from the High Court of London, and what it said, judgment from the MQM organization, is that forever, or at least from the 23rd of August 2016, when the said from the MQM, this judgment recognizes that fact. That Altaf Hussein's MQM London is not the same as the MQM, and that the MQM is the successor of the MQM, and so the MQM now is the absolute owner of properties, all of the assets were in London, and it's effectively throughout the world. So the impact of this it is very significant. We are talking about properties in the world in Arab. And this includes Altaf Hussein's own residence, which he has been occupying rent-free. And this kind of property in London would fetch probably £3,000 to £4,000 a month. But this man has been occupying it for free. No cost. And now what we have to do is we need to make an account of all the rent, and all of these things will have to be at the second stage. But the first stage of this judgment has been to establish that the MQM is the MQM. Altaf Hussein has no more of that. This judgment is that it says that the properties owned by you, the members, and not Altaf Hussein as his personal petitioner, which is what he was saying. Thirdly, what he said, the judgment says, is that the 2015 constitution that Altaf Hussein was relying on is not true. That constitution was never adopted and should never have been mentioned. So you have succeeded to have linked constitution of MQM is the one that is in 2016, starting its history from 2000. Secondly, what we have is the issue as to whether or not the events of the 31st of August and the 1st of September, where Dr. Sattar and Higgs organized the emergent meeting, that was a valid decision, or those decisions are valid. Said that any
I think we are done with the main part. We are done with the main part of the judgment. I think we all have understood. So let us then carry on from here. Yeah. Because there is a lot of interruption, signal problems. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.